Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Kids of today's generation hardly leave their smartphones and are generally busy with their social media. But the kids of 90s spent their childhood watching various animated cartoons on television and they enjoyed a lot because they have no better way than cartoons available. So no parent wants their kid to see these shows that are counterproductive for him, right? So let's help you narrow down your choices. I'm here with the list of 10 best cartoons in India that you could happily encourage your kids to watch. So friends, before starting, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Okay? Number 1. Doraemon. Doraemon is a robot cat and its stories revolve around him. Doraemon is sent back in time by a young boy named Sevashi Nobi to improve the circumstances of his great-great-great-grandfather, that is Nobita, so that the grandfather, that is Nobita, may enjoy a better future. So there are numerous characters of Doraemon such as Nobita Nobi, Sunio Honekawa, Shizuka Minamoto, Takeshi Goda, that is Jian, Dorami, Dekisuki, Jaiko, and many more. So the best part of the stories is that each story is presented in a light mood filled with comic moments and it focuses on moral lessons which are good for children like patience, love, and honesty. Number 2. Motu and Patlu. Motu and Patlu are stars of Lotpot comics and they have been a favorite among children for more than 4 decades. The story is that Motu is fat and friendly and he is very fond of samosas. And his friend Patlu, even though he cannot read, he carries a newspaper with him. They are very simple and they are often clueless how to handle the situations. But they manage every time to cope with the difficult situations also, somehow with the help of their friends. So the one statement which is always highlighted in this series is Bure kaam ka bura natija. So in a funny way, some Indian values are also learnt by the children while watching this animated series. Children enjoy this a lot. Not only Motu and Patlu, but also other cartoon characters in this series are popular among the children. These characters include Dr. Jhatka, Ghasit Ram, Inspector Chingam, John, number 1 and number 2 boxer, etc. So overall it is fun and entertaining series for not only children but also for adults. Number 3. Chhota Bheem. Chhota Bheem is one of the most loved Indian cartoons today. The story is based on Bheem's life when he was a child and lived in a small village of Dholakpur. He is the strongest in the village, but he is never proud of that. In fact, he is shown as a happy-go-lucky kid who has a group of friends with whom he plays and enjoys. One of the most remarkable characteristics of Bheem is shown as his fondness for laddus. It is an Indian sweet. So the characters Kalia and twin brothers Dholu Bholu, they oppose Bheem but join his group ultimately. This series is based on short stories which show how Chhota Bheem and his friends face problems and come out victorious in the end. The language is easy and simple and small children understand and enjoy the series a lot. Number 4. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is a comedy cartoon show which is loved by children since many years. In fact, this is a cartoon show which is not just liked by children but also by elders. The case between cruel and foolish cat Tom and very clever and intelligent mouse Jerry goes on endlessly. In fact, this shows that It reflects the philosophy of life and about choosing the road to happiness for everyone. Number 5. Ben 10. Ben is a 10-year-old kid who comes across a magic watch, Omnitrix. So the watch cannot be taken off and this transforms him into 10 different alien forms. The base of the story sees Ben trying to save our planet Earth from alien invasion. So however, at the age of 11, he finds a way to get rid of that watch, though for a short while. Number 6. Mickey Mouse. Walt Disney got the inspiration for Mickey Mouse from a team mouse at his desk. In 1925, Herman drew some sketches of mice around a photograph of Walt Disney. These inspired UB to create a new mouse character for Disney. So this mouse typically wears red shorts, large yellow shoes and white gloves. This is one of the world's most recognizable characters. And the other characters in this cartoon are Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and many more. Number 7. Shin Chan. It follows the adventures of the 5-year-old Shin Chan. And the series revolves around this little boy. And he seems to do everything he can annoy his parents and teachers. He also had a dog, sister, and neighbors and friends, and he is set in Kazukabe, Japan. So Crayon Shin-chan first appeared in 1990 in a Japanese weekly magazine called Weekly Manga Action, which was published by Futabasha. And this show is amazing and is favorite for people of all age groups. Number 8. Roll Number 21. Roll Number 21 is a series that revolves around the stories of modern form of Lord Krishna, who is Chris, and Kans, who is modified into Kanishk. Kanishk wants to rule the whole world along with Mathura, and Chris brings obstacles in his way. However, Chris is shown like any other school-going kid but gets transformed into divine once when he required. Number 9. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean is an animated series which is not just famous among kids but adults also like this series equally. The troublesome character Mr. Bean lives with an old lady and a grumpy cat, and the stories revolve around these characters. Most of the part of the show has no dialogues and only the gestures and incredible expressions of Mr. Bean makes you laugh and enjoy. Number 10. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer is one of the most popular TV series for kids in India. Dora has a mission to accomplish but ends up finding other things and meets a lots of new people. The way the series is presented is liked by little ones. So friends, these are the top 10 famous cartoons in India. Hope you have connected to this video. Don't forget to comment down and say which is your favorite cartoon, also which is your favorite cartoon character, and like the video. Also share this video to all your friends and also to your family members so that they can also get a knowledge of the top 10 famous cartoons in India. And also smash the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos so that you don't miss any of the interesting video. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.